shopping in every day.
Okay. Maybe convenient for or access to leisure activities. When we talk of the leisure activities, you can go to the shopping centers, you can go to the park, cinema. What else? Comfortable for?
Everything like
Okay, like?
you can you can have everything for make me comfort. Machine.
What kind of machine? Okay, comfortable for everything. First is convenient public transport, easy to access for leisure activities. What else? And then easy to find work also. Am I right? Okay. Now, this one in this picture is what we call the Istiklal Street in Istanbul, Turkey. What is the right word for sentence number 1?
Residence.
In what? Lots of flats. What is it? Not residence. It is identical. Okay. Identical blocks of flat means that they are almost the same in design, the same feature, okay, the same color. So next, number 2 we have. Who can read it for me? Everybody read number 2. More and more. Areas and moving to. Where do we move? To find work. Where do we move? Based on our examples a while ago. No. Okay, it is in the urban. Okay. Next, number 3.
Big cities are exciting because
of the pace of life. There's the variety of interesting shops and great entertainment. What is it? Pace of life. About the speed changes of the plant. Very good. It is the rapid. Okay, rapid pace of life. Next one, number 4.
cities are expensive.
Often can afford to live in city centers because they're
Residents.
First one is
Commercial.
cities are expensive.
Commercial.
Commercial. And what about this one? Are full of them buildings? What is it?
The number 1 is resident and
Okay, number 1 is residence and the second one is commercial. Okay, variable